Sandra is planning for her retirement. She is 35 years old and expect to retire in next 40 years. She expect to live for another 25 years after her retirement. So let's make the timeline. It will be easy for us to do the calculation. Okay. So right now she is 35 years old. Okay. She will retire after 40 years. मतलब जब वो 75 years की हो जाएगी from 35 to 75. So this is like 40 years. So she will retire in 40 years. At 75 years of age, she will retire, and after retirement, okay, she will live, for another 25 years. So from year 75 to year 100. So this is another 25 years after retirement. She is expected to live. Her current annual expenditures are $54,000. And she expect them to increase at the rate of 3%, the rate of inflation. So right now, okay, her annual expenditure is $54,000, and every year, okay, this expenditure is expected to increase at the rate of 3% inflation. Okay. Upon retiring, her end of year expenditure will be equal to her consumption expenditure at the age of 75. So first what we will do, we will try to check, okay, today her annual expenditure is $54,000. By the time she will reach to the retirement age, that is at the age of 75, what will be the expenditure at that time? So I will grow this 54,000 at the rate of inflation. So we will try to find out, future value. What is the formula for future value? Present value 1 plus r raised to t. Very simple. So present value is 54,000. Right now you can see her annual expenditure is 54,000. So I can compound this 54,000 at the rate of 3% inflation, right? For how many years? For 40 years. From year 35 to year 75 for 40 years. Or you can use TVM keys and you can take it 40. Okay, I by Y you can take it 3. Okay, PV you can take it minus 54,000. PMT you can take it 0 and compute future value. So when you perform this calculation, you will get answer 1,76,150. Okay, this will be your final answer. So today her annual expenditure is 54,000. जब वो 75 years की एज की हो जाएगी तब उसका एनुअल एक्सपेंडिचर हो जाएगा 1,76,150. So after retirement, okay, after retirement, for another 25 years, okay, from year 75 to year 100, for another 25 years, every year she need 1,76,150. Okay, so this is what this statement is trying to say. So once again you can read now. Upon retiring, her end of year expenditure will be equal to her consumption expenditure at the age of 75. जब वो retire हो जाएगी, to survive, at least she need 1,76,150 every year from year 75 to year 100. So this will be, PMT for us. Okay, let's read further what information is given. If minimum amount that she can accumulate by the age of 75 is $2 million, what is the minimum expected rate of return she must earn on her investment to maintain her consumption expenditure throughout her expected life after retirement? Okay, so by the time she will reach 75, उसके पास $2 million भी होंगे अलग से. Okay, so $2 million. Okay, now you can think like this. Okay, from year 35, let's say now we are at year 75. Okay, so at year 75 we have 2 million with us, so this will be present value, and every year we need 1,76,150 as a consumption expenditure. So in step 2, okay, what I will do, I will take N25, okay, because I am doing this calculation now from year 75 to year 25, from year 75 to year 100. So N will be 25. Okay, I by Y we will compute. PV I will take it 2 million. Okay, and PMT I will take it 1,76,150. Okay, now you need to think logically. Okay, we are doing this investment today, 2 million. Okay, this is the investment we are doing today, and then what we will do, we will take out this 1,76,150. So any one value you need to take this in negative. So if 2 million you are taking as positive, okay, you can take 1,76,150 as a negative, then only you will get the correct answer. Okay, and future value you can take it 0. So when you do this calculation, okay, you will get answer 7.29 percentage. Okay, so if you have 2 million with you at the age of 75 and 1,76,150 you need every year, so 2 million is your PV and this 1,76,150 is your PMT. You can compute I by Y, you will get answer 7.29. So out of the given option here, I can see 7.29 is option C. So this is correct answer.